Hello, my name is Yafei Chen. I am a senior research fellow working in the pathology group at Altasciences. To maximize the utility of SEND and historical control data, HCD, in supporting our clients' non-clinical safety programs, Altasciences Pathology Service has developed a framework for creating a harmonized HCD repository for our 3 North American preclinical testing facilities. Our abstract, titled Standardization and Harmonization of Altasciences Historical Control Database Development using Certara SEND Explorer for Integrated Toxicological Evaluation, has been accepted as a poster presentation by the Society of Toxicology. I am delighted to be able to present our work at the 2025 annual meeting in Orlando, Florida. This poster will present a transparent and standardized methodology, utilizing Certara's SEND Explorer, for collecting, evaluating, and reporting pathology HCD in regulatory general toxicology studies, followed by a discussion of case examples and the key benefits of integrating Altasciences HCD in drug development, including improved data quality and reliability, and streamlined study analysis by reducing the likelihood of false positives or negatives. Importantly, it helps meet regulatory requirements by providing evidence-based comparisons for safety assessments. The implementation of HCD is not only a critical tool for strengthening assessment of findings, but also potentially reducing animal use, and directly contributing to animal welfare in alignment with the 3 R's principles. Our efforts aim to enhance the harmonization and documentation of HCD in commercial test laboratories, paving the way for seamless integration into regulatory submissions while promoting scientific rigor and ethical responsibility. If you are interested in our HCD database, please stop by booth 515 and our poster for more details. See you in Orlando!